Yo, what up guys? Welcome back sa ating bago na vlog. Tayo ngayon dito naman sa ating base camp kung saan maglalagay tayo ng hero sa kulang natin hero dito sa may outside kitchen. So gagawin natin siya ngayon, bibili tayo ng hero. Pagkatapos, gagawin natin, sampa natin, tapos yung iba na kailangan natin gawin dito, gagawin na rin natin. So yun lang, let's go!
Depths of silence where echoes remain. You were the sunrise and I was the rain. A collision of souls opposing in flight. I was the darkness, you yearned for the light. Now you're gone and I'm losing my mind, losing my mind, I'm losing my mind.
Ayan guys, nasampa na natin siya. Ayos na lang natin. Magkaroon na tayo ng bubong. Kailangan pala ito solar.
You were the laughter that kept me alive. You were hello and I was goodbye. An ember that flickered and faded away. You were the summer, I was that same old shit in me. Now you're gone and I'm losing my mind, losing my mind, I'm losing my mind. Now you're gone. Why did you cut me up, bring me out and leave me high and dry?
So dito na yung meron namin, nakabit na namin. Bibili ko ngayon. So alusin ko na lang tumutulog dun sa loob dahil pasok tong isa.
Itong pasok ko. Kaya lang.
Ayan guys, andito tayo ngayon sa Lamart para bumili ng pesa natin para dun sa lababo. Kasi kung nakakita nyo nakaraan, wala tayong p-trap dun. Yung tubig dumidiretso sa baba. Maghahanap tayo rito. Wala rito ah. Ito lang yung meron guys. Pwede na kaya ito guys. Ano sa palagay? Pwede na kaya ito. Ito lang yung meron. Trap eh. Ito. Ito maganda bumili niya. Ayan guys, nakauwi na nga tayo. Nabili na natin yung mga kailangan natin para dun sa ating lababo. Pero tingin ko Hindi na natin gagamitin muna ito kasi oras pa naman siya. So ito lang kailangan natin. Kahit sana lang maganda siya. Uy.
Well, you know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do.
Era! Testingin natin.
Oh, well, you know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Alright, pwede na guys. Hindi na tumatagas dito. Yeah, good.
We got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Ayan guys, nakabit na natin yung gero. Ayan. Ayan, ito na yung tsura ng loob natin ng ating outside fits. Ayan. Wala na yung problema natin sa gero. Kompleto na siya. Diba? Kikita nyo, kompleto na, diba? Hindi lang siya ganong pantay-pantay kasi nga may mga tinamaan. Susunod ko na lang siya pantay-pantay. And ito na rin yung ating mga gagamitin dito sa labas. Sinabit ko ng walang samantala. At yung ating lababo na diretso tumutuloy at hindi. Eh nandito na ngayon. Palabas na siya. Lagyan natin siya ng hose papunta roon sa labas. So, okay na guys. Tapos na. So next time ulit. Tignan natin kung ano magagawa natin yung next time. Yung yun lang. Sige. Thank you.